What up, guys, and welcome back. And today we have a new package from Amazon. Let's open up this bad boy. And this is for my filter, by the way. Hopefully it's the right, I ordered the right thing. It's supposed to be a 2-inch thick sponge. I'm gonna be putting it across to catch all the gunk and stuff off it's basically gonna be a wall, and the water's gonna go through it and filter out all the gunk. Look how they come so skinny. Comes in really vacuumed. I don't think it's been exposed to air yet completely, so we'll wait. This is supposed to be 2 inches thick. Smells funny. Oh, I have to soak it and then so yeah, apparently I have to soak it and then I have to put it in the dryer. So we'll soak this up and see what happens. Actually, do this like this. I mean, it's getting a little bigger. This is a longer process than I was expecting it to be. Yeah. I mean, I'm assuming they shrink it to save money on shipping, right? Which is understandable. This is just annoying. I think if I leave it here, it's already growing, so I think I don't have to actually do anything. It's already growing pretty thick. This part is basically at its max already. Turn this bad boy around if I can. I think the back there is still taking its time to get a little thicker. See? So we're gonna leave this here for a little bit, let it get soaked up, and then we'll see what it looks like after. So now we have to cut this sponge now that it's been big enough. We need to make sure we cut it to the right size as well, so I have to measure the inside, because what I want to do is put the sponge here going along this, right, so it covers up a good amount, you know what I mean? Okay, so now that I've cut it, I'm hoping this works, to be honest, but we'll see. I actually kind of want to do is put it on the inside here, that's a little more room, and then we're just going to kind of squeeze it to fit all the way in, and since it's a sponge, it'll adapt, right? And now we have a sponge wall, right? So now it has to first go through here, and then it has to go through here, and then it'll come back up. Perfect. I can add another one somewhere here once I start to set up the sump correctly, but yeah, super cool. I'm excited. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this and about this. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.